taking a peek at the key fob for the F-Pace. So along the back of the fob, you've got the Jag logo. Front side of the fob, the lock button, unlock button. There's a light button, trunk release, corner panic alarm. And then there's also the emergency access key. So just going to push and slide. There we go. So you can use that to get inside the vehicle if the fob's ever died, locking the glove box, etc. Now, there are a few interesting things about the fob. So the light button there, you won't be able to see it because it's pretty bright outside. But when you actually push the light button, that's going to turn on the headlamps. So you probably won't be able to see it there. Hold on, I'm going to turn on the lamps there and walk in front so that you can try to see. There you go. You can see that. So you can turn the lamps on or off using the key fob. So it's pretty useful later on at night if you're walking towards your vehicle as well, just to kind of give you some illumination. On top of that, you can also use the fob in order to roll the windows up and down. So in order to roll them down, you're just going to press the unlock button and then hold it. So you're just going to do a press and hold. Well, watch this. Windows are going down. You can push any button and just pause it part way, and then just press and hold again in order to continue the cycle. Look at that. And then it's moving, so you can just release it. But it's even getting the sunroof open as well. Amazing. You could push and hold the lock button if you wanted to close the windows too. But there's also one other way that you can do it. So right on the outside of the door there's a tiny little button, a little indentation. You can push that in order to lock and unlock the doors. But if you do a press and hold to lock it, watch this. So do press and hold for a few seconds as long as you've got the key fob on you. Oh yeah. You do have to continue to press and hold there too, which is kind of neat. But I love that it's like a window control for all of the windows and the sunroof. That's really nice.